5 steps to pitching mechanics. First step, you can either step back or to the side, whatever you feel comfortable with, but the first step is stepping off the rubber. But yeah, and then step 2 is rotating. And step 3, balance. Stay right here, and then what we do, we hold this for probably 20-30 seconds, then dip, and then hold that, stand back up, and then next step, step 4, you stride out and get in a good throwing position. Make sure your thumb, your glove, is down, thumb's pointing down, elbows up in a good throwing position, and then rotate and follow through. Have a good leg finish.